Today we're on the south side of the Bow River, heading to my latest listing. If you're looking for 3 bedrooms, a family room, double car garage in the heart of downtown Canmore, you're not going to want to miss this one. Let's go and take a look right now. Welcome to 7164 Rundle Drive. It's in a beautiful private complex and we've got over 2,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, a family room and a double car garage to show you today. And it's also south facing with some beautiful mountain views of Ha Ling. You'll notice the extensive renovations on this main floor. As soon as you walk through the front door, we've got some beautiful hardwood floors inset with slate tile. It's perfect kind of mudroom feel as soon as you walk in. And it's got this large entryway with closet before you enter the main living space. So the mountain theme renovations continue on this main floor. This main living space is really peaceful. It's south facing. We've got some skylights in those 10-foot ceilings. So we've got lots of beautiful natural light flooding into the main floor. Just behind me is a Rundle Rock gas fireplace. As I say, we've got the hardwood floors and these beautiful wood beams moving into the kitchen. This kitchen is beautiful. It's again open plan, so easy for entertaining or watching the kids while you're making dinner. We've got some black granite countertops, custom older kitchen cabinets, as well as stainless steel appliances and a 5-burner gas stove. Just off the living room, we've got this huge deck. It's perfect for sitting outside in the summer and having dinner because you're south facing, so you'll get some nice evening sunlight as well as some incredible views of Ha Ling and the east end of Rundle. Just off the main entryway on this main level, we also have a 2-piece washroom and access to the double car garage. We've got this huge primary suite in this property. It's nice and bright with the morning sun coming through the windows, and you've got some beautiful views actually of Lady Mac and Grotto Mountain. Lots of closet space. There's 4 huge closets in here, and then just behind me, as you can see, we've got a seating area or even an area where you can put a private office when you're working from home. As we're leaving the primary suite, you'll notice it's on its own separate landing on this 2nd floor. And what's great about this house is there is a ton of storage. So we've got a double closet here just on this main landing. As I come up these 3 steps, off to my left are 2 more bedrooms and a 3-piece washroom with another closet for storage. And then just behind you here is the laundry room, and it's big enough to put more shelves in there as well. So we've got 2 bedrooms on this south wing of the condo. This one has beautiful vaulted ceilings, which allows for this huge window. And your guests and your kids are going to be fighting for this bedroom because it's got incredible mountain views. As you come up the final flight of stairs, we've got this great lofted space. It can be a home office, it can be another bedroom, a family room, and a perfect kids playroom. As always, thanks for watching. If you've got any questions about this property or any other properties in Canmore, my contact information is just below. And don't forget to click that subscribe button. We've got some great videos coming in the next few weeks.